Okay, my beautifuls, I'm back. And I'm here with my little sandwich. I added some mayo to it and some cheese. I had my bun upside down, didn't know it. Oh well, still gonna eat the same. Um, Everything ain't meant to be perfect and cute and fancy and all that extra shit. Because if that was the case, then ugly and fucked up and all that wouldn't be relevant, right? So yeah. We're gonna place some chips on here. That's enough. And we're going to pour some of this Dr. Pepper. Y'all know about this? I guess after something got shook or something. What is the fucking net fly? You pop the bottle. The condom suds down. Now if that shit still went up, that would just fucked up my whole little theory. Go pour slow. She'll pour like a beer and tip the cup. That looks so pretty. Yeah, I said I wanted some soda. Fill that thing up to the rim. I got socks on and I'm so hot. But I'm trying not to catch a cold because people around me been sniffing and coughing. Cat been sneezing. I'm sweating and all, but guess what? I'm keeping these socks on so I get my black butt in the bed. Slide this back over here. Get a sip of this. I love me a Dr. Pepper. Okay, so I said I was going to tell y'all about Walmart. Now, I love shopping at Walmart. They started that online shopping. You could pick up or you could have it delivered. Fell in love with my soul. I would either have it delivered or have it picked up. However I feel. If I feel like staying in the house being lazy, deliver it to me, please. If I felt like getting up and getting out, going to go drive and listen to some music and think I'm her while I'm on the road, I'll get in my car and go pick it up. But I don't have no option, so I'm like, okay, delivery it is. I done ordered $170. Well, it was actually $160 worth of stuff with taxes. Came up to $178. And they canceled something that was supposed to ship. It was a body wash. They went from canceling that to canceling the whole order. I'm like, what's going on? I called. They said, oh no, we canceled the body wash. You'll be refunded for that. $435 got refunded. I'm like, okay, so where's the rest of my refund? Oh, that's gonna be still delivered or whatever. So then I get a text message that it was supposed to be delayed. 2 hours then went by. Okay, where's my stuff? They canceled the whole order. Exactly what the dang on app says. But where's my refund? We still have not resolved the refund situation. Because ain't no money came back to me besides that $435. I don't feel like calculating, but minus that from what y'all owe me and give me the rest. So I didn't sit up there and have to reorder half of the stuff that I was purchasing. Some stuff I probably didn't forgot what I was supposed to be getting. And actually I did get the tissue, but they didn't have the 20 rolls that I wanted. So they gave me 12 rolls. And that's a beef that I got with DoorDash because y'all could have got two 12 packs. Instead, y'all got one and did not refund me my change. 12 rolls don't cost no $20. They playing with me. I ain't got money to be just giving away like that. Y'all ain't doing nothing for me to help y'all. Like, DoorDash okay, but y'all be getting y'all little tips here and there. and y'all getting enough in fees. I want mine like you want yours. Stop playing with my money. Okay, this sandwich cool down. Let's see what it's tasting like. Y'all see how I did that? I was talking for the sandwich to cool off. It's giving. I need to be doctored up with some lettuce, some tomatoes, some pickles. If you mess with pickles, I don't even know why I said that. I was gonna put some jalapeno, but I had jalapeno yesterday. I don't want no more jalapenos. And all the other stuff I don't want. We could have put the avocado on there. What I really wanted to do, y'all, I forgot to get the hash brown. Y'all ever taste that chicken? I don't know. It's like some kind of chicken sandwich from Jack in the Box. It come in the it was a munchie meal. So it's chicken, got some kind of white sauce, it got Swiss cheese, and it got a hash brown on there. That sandwich is so fire. It really tastes like it. All I'm missing. Now I know to grab these sandwiches, this little box, when I want to make that. I need the hash brown. The hash brown patty. And it's a big burger, y'all. 4 burgers came in the box. I like the way it feels, so I can't sit it down because I don't know. I just like the way that heaviness and the bread just feels soft and like my fingers sinking into it. It just let me know before I bite it. Look, my mouth getting watering. It just let me know before I bite it. It's gonna be a good bite. Like, this is a good sandwich. It's speaking to me through my fingers. Through the census board. What the hell are you and that cat over there doing? Y'all, I don't know if it's just me, but I love some chips when they folded. Like, Lay's or Ruffles. Cause I like Ruffles too. Sour cream Ruffles. Oh my God. I was just so addicted to sour cream Ruffles at one point. But when the chip is folded, it tastes so good. I used to sit there and literally pick out the folded chips. It was so bad that my ex-husband, when he would come across the folded chips, he'll just hand it over to me. And I was, thank you. Heart beat a little faster, love you a little more because you thought about me. No, for real. If we sound like a fat couple, because we was a fat couple, for real. Why are you making that face? Stop. Yeah, I really did ask got the munchies. Nope. Yeah, that hand soap I showed y'all, that's a foliated soap. It got like a little scrub when you wash your hands. It smells so good. If y'all trust me when I say that soap smell good, Dr. Till's hand soap, and they got body wash. I need to get that body wash to see what that's like. It's supposed to be like a to relax you. I don't know what that's about. I love the lotion. Gotta get some more, by the way. And I obviously I love the hand soap so far. Now I gotta try the body wash. I think the light making me sweat. It's the middle of it is so juicy. My air fryer went out. If my air fryer would have been in there, it would have put the crispiness to this chicken the way it need to be. Oh my God, it would have hit so different. I can't see.
Still, she down there. Why you got a fucking fan on her?
I'm about to kick this sock off. It is freaking hot. You want your bread up?
Stop.
You want your bread up? I'm real life over here sweating. Like, what the? Okay, one side gotta come off. And why are there so much crumbs on me? Oh, Jesus. I feel like my foot could breathe now. These chips are fresh. Tastes like they just baked these. Or do they bake potato chips or do they fry? They gotta be baked. They fry them? I don't know what the hell they do. I know it's good.
That's fry or bake.
I'm supposed to be giving a shout out to somebody that say they watches me all the way from Hawaii. All the way from Hawaii. I don't know why. When I read that, it like really gave me a chill. Like, I don't know. I know everybody from Hawaii is not Samoans. I know this. But maybe because in my head I think I'm a Samoan and I heard Hawaii, I just felt that was my people. Like my people just see me, they reaching out to me. I'm ignorant. But I believe her name is, I believe it's a woman. Yes, because she said grandkid and all that. Her name is Lillian. I'm sorry, beautiful. I'm on the phone and my other phone, excuse me, is upstairs. I should have looked before. I'm going to give you another shout out in another video if I didn't get your name correct. And I'm going to just give you a proper shout out, period, in another video. But it's either Lillian. I think it's Lillian. I can't think of nothing else because I think I'm right. So shout out to my beautiful Lillian. Holding chip and eating chip. And still go pick up a chip. Because I'm going to say this chip because I think this chip's special. My cat not eating, so that's not my cat. This cat not eating, so it's up on the table going to retarded. See why that was a special chip. Good choice. Good choice. I'll be trying not to smack. But smacking about to come because when it's good, it's like, gotta get into it. Now I'm really trying not to smack because I said it's like, okay, now you said it, so now you smacking, girl, chill.
Apple cover. Oh, Nicki Minaj apple cover.
Yeah.
Like the one you was supposed to
Yeah.
that was supposed to be her apple cover. But I guess she changed it.
This song is just touching my soul right now.
Get out. Get out.
Speak to me. Speak to me, Lord. How does song go on Color Purple? Speak to me.
Which one got the new Color Purple come out? The new Color Purple?
This month,
It come out on Christmas.
that was September.
Yeah.
It come out in theaters.
I think so.
Who played it again?
Fantasia, Haley,
Oh yeah.
Taraji,
Oh
girl
yeah.
from Orange and Black,
Oh, I'm watching that.
and Oprah Winfrey.
Color Purple come out in December. It come out for Christmas.
I think it come out before Christmas or
Oh, that's gonna be a good holiday movie. That is gonna be a very good holiday movie.
in the Sea Gamer.
Duh.
But it's like they have singing, but they's like more like they have more singing in this Color Purple.
It's like a musical.
Get out.
Like Broadway.
Yeah.
It got Holly in it.
Oh, and yeah. What's that lady name?
Oh.
It's Oprah Winfrey, and there was the other one that was in Color Purple. She the ugly one. What's the fucking name?
Whoopi Goldberg.
Yeah, Whoopi Goldberg in there too.
Whoopi Goldberg in there. Oh my God! Not Whoopi. Man, I love me some Whoopi Goldberg.
I gotta make sure if she in there.
Man, I think I didn't watch every Whoopi Goldberg bird movie there is. And I was a little late on this one movie with her and Danny Glover. They had a family and they was living in the suburbs. I kind of forgot what it was about. It was so long ago. My ass will find it and go watch it tonight. That's gonna be my nightcap. I'm watching that. I gotta go find the Whoopi Goldberg and Danny Glover movie. So I was like, I didn't even know they had played in the movie together after Color Purple. But yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. If y'all don't know about it, y'all gotta look it up and y'all go find it because I don't know the name of it.
I want to watch that movie with Whoopi Goldberg. I think they was in middle school or high school.
I'm done.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
That was so good. Hit the spot.
Remember the little boy and we were
Hit.
trying to do his part?
The spot.
Yeah, I forgot the name of the movie.
All this thing on ice I got in this soda and just sit. What's your favorite soda? If you drink soda. If you don't drink soda, what's your favorite juice? Are you a waterhead? Oh, big waterhead ass.
My favorite is Tiki Punch. It's not like that anymore. So I'll say pineapple.
Pineapple hit different. And then that apple soda.
Oh, yeah.
But you know what I really love though? I love me some horchata. Oh my God. I only know one place horchata is fire. There's a little burrito stand. I forgot their name. What's their name? On Imperial. Huh? Oh yeah, Gavian, something like that.
You just ate.
Just like that soda. I'm out of here. Until next time. Y'all know I fucked that shit up. If it ain't on you, it wasn't good. Until next time, peace, love, and all my beautifuls in Hawaii. Don't forget to smile, baby.